Hi guys, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited. I have received this lovely package of Happy Mail from the lovely Diane. So thank you so much, Diane. Excited. I haven't undone it here. I have obviously only just taken it out of the envelope so far. So this is going to be you and me seeing what's in here together already. I'm so drawn to this gorgeous green colour, which just is yummy. Thoroughly loving that. So yeah, let's dive in and see what goodies are here. I just can't believe how kind people are. It just is so generous. I really am so humbled and just so touched that people, are kind enough to think of me in that way. So thank you so much, Diane. I will move this obviously and I will read this in private time in a moment after the video, but look at how much care and effort has gone into the whole packing of this. Oh my gosh, look at this gorgeous ring. I love that. I've never seen a ring with like tassels before on it. Isn't that cool? I love this. And these stretchy rings, they're just perfect because one size kind of generally fits all. So, thank you so much, Diane. I know that I just obviously, everyone knows that I just love my junky rings. So yeah, I love that one. Thank you very much. And it feels kind of cool as well where it's got those dangly bits. Thank you very much. I shall be wearing that. Yeah, I was very struck by this even through the packaging. So I love that. Isn't that so pretty? Again, if you watch my channel a lot, you'll know, green is just my favourite colour. So it's just absolutely lovely. In fact, I've got a couple of books down here to the side of my desk, which, let me just pull one in. These are some Disney books that, let me just check that I'm in frame. Hold on. Oops, I wasn't. Lucky I checked. These are some Disney books that I got from... Yeah, these are some Disney books that I got from... I can't even remember where I got them from, to be honest, but it was a few months ago. I think maybe I got them from a car boot sale. And I got two of them, which, let me just pull in the other one, because they're both sat there. I had planned to do something with them and I just haven't got round to it yet. But they're both very similar. Story a day. This one is spring and this one is autumn. But aren't they gorgeous? They're Disney ones, so definitely no scanning of these. But they're just so lovely and they've just got the most awesome pictures, just absolutely gorgeous. But the reason why I suddenly dragged them in was because as soon as I saw that green trim, I just thought, oh, I can just picture that on the kids book journals. So isn't that just gorgeous? Imagine how cute and nice that would look against all of these beautiful little images. Look, how lovely is that? I've now got a bit of an urge to do another kids book journal because I haven't done one for a long time. Slightly scared by the COPA thing, which, of course, clearly it would not be a video for children or anything else, or a journal for children. But yeah, I think that's why I've been avoiding doing them. But I may have to do one soon because I love working with all these beautiful images. And this green, I just think is absolutely perfect. And as you know, I have, look, isn't that so cute? I've in the past hoarded things, when people have gifted things to me in the Happy Mail. I have hoarded them because I can't quite bring myself to use them. I really don't know what that's about. But and then more recently I've kind of said I need to start using them because of course people send them because people want to see you using them. So yeah, I may have to do a children's journal using this green because I absolutely love that. Thank you very much, Diane. And look at this. How cool is this trim? Isn't that so awesome? I don't know whether this would be like for a cushion or something like that, but it's very cute. And again, would look so nice just running up the side of a journal or on a folio or something like that. So love that. Let me just move the things to the side as I kind of move through. I love this. Isn't that pretty? And such a gorgeous colour. Oh, I love this. Diane is right from Australia, and so how kind was she to think of me right from literally the other side of the world. That's so thoughtful. Look at that pretty flower. That's so delicate. beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love this. Look at this. This is kind of like a ribbon with lace stitched onto it. Isn't that lovely? I don't know whether Diane made that or whether this was how it came, but that's so nice. Oh, I love that. And it feels quite stiff, almost like a wired ribbon. It's not a wired ribbon, but it has that sort of similar feel. You can hear it's like making a sort of papery sound, but oh, that's lovely. I love that. Oh, and it all smells lovely too. So yeah, it's all got a lovely smell. Thank you. I love this. This looks really vintage. It's really nice. I think this is that embroidery anglaise, I think is how you say it, isn't it? I always love that. It's very pretty. Oh, that's lovely. I mean, I'm just such a sucker for lace, to be honest, but yeah, this is just all right up my street. I just, you can never have enough lace, can you? And especially in journals, because, you know, we just use it so free and easily, and I just think a bit of lace on everything just makes everything look awesome, doesn't it? Oh, look, this is cheesecloth. I know it sounds strange. I don't think I've really ever had any cheesecloth. So yeah, this is very cool. I should be trying to use this. I say trying because obviously it looks very delicate. But yeah, that's awesome. Thank you very much, Diane, because I've never had any before. So that's going to be fun to use. And look at this. This is like a doily piece. Isn't that lovely? Oh, I love that. There's all sorts of lovely goodies here. Love that. So pretty. Love the colour. And this. Isn't this gorgeous? I mean, that would just be such a lovely pocket, wouldn't it? Oh, I'm feeling very spoiled now. Oh, look at this. I love this. I mean, honestly, again, anyone who's not into junk journals would kind of think, oh, what, you know, what would you do with that? But I just love things like this, to just trim them down and have them like hanging off at the edge of a page. I just think are absolutely perfect. You know, they make such a difference to a page. It's so pretty. Oh, I love that. Really love that. And look at this. Oh, it's not even one thing. I thought that was, oh, it's lots of things. I thought it was joined together. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. That's so pretty. Yeah, I really love that. Very fine. Very, very fine and delicate, that is. Oh, and this, isn't this gorgeous? I mean, this looks like, I don't know whether it might have been part of a wedding dress or something. At first I thought possibly like a tablecloth or something, but it's very, very soft. Very soft. Oh, it's lovely. I love the colour. And a lovely piece of doily here. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh, I'm going to have so much fun playing with all these bits and pieces. Thank you so much. Wow, look at that. Talking of the green, you see, how awesome would that look on some of those kids' book pages? Oh, I love that. I've never seen a doily like this before. Oh, that's just so cool. I really, really love it. Really love that. Gorgeous pieces. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I just think you can never have enough lace, to be honest. Oh, I love this. Isn't this cool? I wonder if that's like from a table, I don't know, something, tablecloth maybe? Very cool. Oh, I love this. Look at this. Already I just think, oh, you could just cut these flowers off and that would be so awesome, wouldn't it? And then you've got this gorgeous piece here. Oh, I love that. That's so lovely. Oh, look at these gorgeous stickers. Oh, Diane, I don't know, obviously, because I haven't read your card or anything. And this maybe is intended for my daughter, but if it's not, then I have to apologise now, because as soon as she sees this, you know, I'm not going to have a chance of keeping this. She will absolutely love these. So if they weren't intended for her, I hope you won't mind me giving them to her, because she will just go crazy for these. Thank you so much. They are so her cup of tea. Oh, yeah. I mean, she draws constantly. She just absolutely loves drawing at the moment. So she will just be like copying all of these little elements, and the butterflies, the toadstools, the fairies. She will love those. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, look at this. Wow, isn't this gorgeous? What is this? I don't know whether this is like wrapping paper. I assume this is wrapping paper. Oh, I think this is what the smell is coming from. It smells just so lovely. Oh, I wish this was smell-o-vision. Again, I know I've said that in the past, but it smells so nice. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Or maybe this is a draw liner, actually. That would make sense, wouldn't it, with the smell? Oh, that's so gorgeous. And just literally smells absolutely heavenly. Oh, I love that. Thank you so much, Diane. My whole area smells just lovely now. Oh, and I've got some lovely fabrics here. Love this. I really like duck egg blue. I mean, this is slightly more green, I guess more like a sage, but yeah, really nice colour. But this one is more duck egg probably. So that's just gorgeous, isn't it? Beautiful, beautiful for a cover of a journal. Absolutely lovely. And I love these scrolly patterns. I can't get enough of these. You know, like I've loved them for years, like probably all my life, and I will obviously just love them forever. They're just my type of thing. I really can't get enough of those kinds of patterns. Ooh, look at this one. Oh, that's lovely. That's so lovely. Gorgeous. I'm just folding it so that I can get it on screen, because otherwise it's too big to obviously fit on. But oh, it's lovely. Yeah, much more rustic. Oh, it's really nice. And actually it looks quite a big piece, so possibly like 2 journal covers or something out of that. Or maybe some little bags or something. Gorgeous pieces. Lovely fabrics, Diane. Really, really, really nice. They're lovely. Oh, look at this. They're very lovely fabrics, I must say. These are obviously like upholstery fabrics because they've got that upholstery fabric feel. You know, thicker than, you know, dressmaking fabrics, but aren't they gorgeous? Oh, look at this one. Isn't that just lovely? Oh, that's such nice colour. That's so lovely. Oh, I love that. Yeah, that's really, really nice. Wow, I have been so spoiled. Thank you so much, Diane. Oh, yeah, I know I'm constantly saying it, but people's generosity is just so flabbergasting. I really, really feel humbled. So thank you very much. Again, I love these types of things. Really beautiful. Oh, isn't this lovely? Like a wallpaper border. And look at that with this fabric. Isn't that just so lovely? I love that together. Really love that together. And look at this. This here is oh, do they call this piano music? I don't want to sound really silly if this isn't what this is, but I think this is like piano music, or yeah, I mean, goodness only knows how that works, but I saw a piano paper roll. I can't remember now the exact term, but in an antique shop, and I'm sure that's what this is. But it's very cool, and it feels, yeah, like, I don't know, shiny one side and not the other. It's very cool stuff. So I shall have fun playing with this. I've never had any of this before. Thank you so much, Diane. I really just feel so overwhelmed by the generosity. Absolutely love everything that you sent, and I shall probably have to hoard things for a little while, and then I shall start using things. So yeah, absolutely love it all. Thank you very, very much. My daughter will absolutely love these. So thank you so much, and thank you all for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed looking at that happy mail. I'm feeling super spoilt now. So yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you all soon. Thanks then.